Cloudflare provides the ability to enforce 2FA for all account members. 2FA provides an additional layer of security. An attacker would not be able to log into an account even if they had the password, as the account would require a 2FA token to complete the login process. When this setting is enabled, all users joining the account must enable 2FA. In this video, we will take a look at how to enforce 2FA for all members in Cloudflare account. Log into your Cloudflare account and on the left side menu, go to Manage Account. Click on Members. Under Member 2FA Enforcement, click on Toggle button to enable this feature. Click on Confirm button. We can see that the toggle button turns green, which means that Member 2FA Enforcement feature has been successfully enabled. If you found this video helpful, do give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to our YouTube channel for more such interesting videos on cloud security.